Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jack Douglas.
With
And these
Monty
are the
again, he
peaks
just
and
came from
ridges of
Utah.
a mountain range in Arizona, which
Trailer guy, he's my secret connect.
the owners of this
I got
fine
eyes in the
trailer
back
are
of my
friends
head.
of mine. Listen,
Yeah.
thank you so much and good night, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Okay, so we have the 1963 Ideal, 19 feet by 7.5 feet wide. This is one of my favorite campers that I own. We're just going to give you a short tour of this amazing, back in the day it was luxurious. You can definitely tell on some of the features, it just has a lot of upgrades. Even today, it just feels seamless and super comfortable to live in. We did add a couple upgrades like the TV and the fridge. So as you can tell, it has a lot of big windows for these amazing Arizona views. And it's just a really nice, comfortable camper. It's really rare. I've only owned 2 of these, and I've only seen maybe another couple of them just in the whole United States, really, on Marketplace and stuff. Check out these nice panoramic windows up front. The awning usually stays closed, but when you do open it, that's the view right there. So I haven't fully restored it. I've just been fixing up the inside little by little. But like I said, it's one of my favorite campers. So when I restore it on the exterior, I really want to make sure that it just comes out perfect, and that I do everything right. So I am gonna restore it on the outside. The outside is all original, but I'm gonna get some designers to help me and all kinds of stuff, because it needs to come out really good. We did restore one other Ideal. We sold it actually to The Range. It's a vintage RV resort in Bristol, Texas, near Dallas. And I'll post pictures here so you guys could check it out. It came out really good. It's actually one of their favorite, most popular campers that get booked. I sold it to Paul and his wife out there, and they were great. It's a bigger Ideal, but just wanted to share this camper, this vintage camper, because there's not a lot of information about them out there, and they were built really, really good. They're really high quality. So I definitely, if you guys could get a hold of an Ideal camper, I definitely recommend them. And that's it for this short video. Thanks for watching.